Cyber Innovation Hub is a multi-million-pound strategic investment by the Welsh Government and the Cardiff Capital Region deal to tie together existing investment and pockets of excellence in cybersecurity across the Cardiff Capital Region and reaching into broader Wales.
With Cardiff University at the helm, supported by cyber heavyweight partners Airbus, the Electric Foundation, CGI, Thales, Tramshed Tech and the University of South Wales, to train more than 1,500 individuals with cybersecurity skills, to create more than 25 high-growth companies, and to attract more than £20 million in private equity investment by 2030.
This isn't something that we're just funding for 5 years and then we'll fund again in 5 years' time. We're investing in this now so it can be resilient and self-sufficient in the long term. We're looking to invest in businesses that we can see benefits from, both in terms of financial return on investment, but also economic returns on investment.
There's definitely a market demand for a cyber innovation cluster, particularly from the private investment sector. So what they look for is deal flow, new companies coming through on a regular basis that they can invest in and see them grow. And that's a key thing for us, being able to generate year on year a number of new companies that private equity can come and invest in.
There's never been the opportunity to develop some of these ideas and to move something theoretical into something realistic, because we've got the ideas, we're just not bringing them to market.
Skills is key. We're working with small, medium and large companies as well as public and third sector to identify skills gaps in specific technology areas such as operational technology, 5G and mobile systems, and developing hands-on bite-sized upskilling programs to teach people how to build and secure these systems.
We've got the people, we've got the skills, we've got amazing academic institutions, and now we've got the framework too.